Hey up, Firebugs. Right, these are top tips for Tuesdays. If you like me getting on a bit, you're struggling with the handbill, nearly get there, run out of steam like this, no problem. Take a break. Just leave the set exactly as it is. What you've done, you've created a platform of dust there. It's still hot, it'll dry out. Go off, get a brew, totally recover, get your breath back, and then come back and have another go. Fully recovered. Right, fully rested, recovered. Had a cup of tea. Let's see if we can get it lit this time. Sorry about the noise, that's the rice machine blasting away in the background there. Right. Little float to warm the chalk up again. Be aware there. Yeah, got it now. So there you go, guys. That's my top tip for Tuesdays. You don't have to kill yourself. Take a break. Come back later, you've done all the hard work, and then finish it off. Oh well, I didn't get the flame. Well, you get the point. Catch you later, guys.